Hi, I'm Susan Lyon, and along with my husband, Scott Burdick, we're both portrait painters. We love painting people, although we paint all kinds of stuff. We paint on trips, I paint still lifes. Scott even does sculpture. Now, we work in all mediums. We primarily work in oil paint, but we do charcoal, watercolor, acrylic, everything. I mean, we experiment with everything. On this channel, we want to share tutorials. We want to share an artist's life. We're going to be talking about like the tips and the tricks that we have for taking photographs of models, taking photographs of our paintings, how we pack our paintings, how we ship them off. Everything that deals with an artist's daily life, we're going to talk about. There's going to be highs. And there's going to be challenges, but we're going to show you everything. It's all about just being an artist, having a creative life. I started this channel because I not only wanted to share our art, I wanted to share all the artists I know and to see museums, to go visit other people's studios. I think about it a lot. Like, what if we could see John Singer Sargent paint? What if we could hear conversations he had with his friends? I mean, that'd be priceless. So, for posterity's sake, I want to share that. I don't want all the amazing experiences that we've had and are going to have. I don't want them to disappear. Now, if this inspires you a little bit and you want to join our community, I'd love it. That is going to be my dream. I already have a Patreon where Scott and I share tutorials and we have live streams and I do one-on-one mentoring. But I'd also like to create a YouTube channel where I have a YouTube family. And so that's why I'm putting a lot of my energy into this because it's just such an amazing platform. We have been artists for over 30 years. We've navigated galleries, museum shows, everything that an artist has to deal with. We want to share everything we know online. We're just going to give it away. That's my dream is to for all the people who can't travel to workshops, for all the people who want to have the art experience, to want to have a community, this is for you. And I hope to meet you. Each week, I'm going to upload a video. And so please hit subscribe and notification bell so that you won't miss anything. Mentoring is one of my favorite things. Meeting people online has been such a gift to me. And I can't believe what technology has allowed us to do. So, I mean, it is really my favorite thing to do, to share what I've learned and to hopefully make the journey a little bit easier for some people. You'll see two different styles. Scott is very bold, very expressive, loves to experiment. I'm probably a little bit more on the softer, subtle side. I'm going to show you us painting the same model, on trips, painting the same scenes, and you'll see that there are completely two distinct different approaches. And I like doing that. I like having classes where students can see that there's not just one way of doing it. And they get to see Scott be, super flamboyant and it's like the awe and the aspiration. And then hopefully I can be the person that really shows the A, B's, and C's because that's what I love to do. This channel is our way of opening the door and inviting you into our lives. Art has no borders, and together we can keep it alive, growing, and shared for generations to come. Thank you so much for being here.